Hey everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about Telegram mining airdrop that you can earn free ton every day. So you can earn minimum of 20 ton daily. That's about 50 to because one ton is about $5. So when you have 20 ton, that will be about 40, about $80 plus here. So I'll be showing you how you can start mining from this airdrop here, and it's very simple. So what you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you share these videos for others to see how they can mine from it. So right here, I'll be putting the link in the word description box or in the comment section, so you can also join us in mining this ton airdrop, and you can also withdraw instantly. So this is it here. This is my current mining here. So I'm mining 0.007 ton, and let me go to my mining here. So this is the mining here. I'll be earning 0.05 in 7 hours here. So per hour here, this is my per hour. I'll be earning 0.006 ton per hour. So imagine 24 hours, I'm making about 1 ton to 2 ton in a day just mining here. And I also show you how I also get this my mining, and also how you can also get your own mining here. So right here, you go to this particular store here. So this is the store here. So the minimum you have to do here is $5. So you are getting this mining machine here for just $5, and your what profit here is you are getting this for just 5 ton, sorry, equals to 5, and that's $19.44. So your profit will be $22.0. That's your profit here. So you'll be making how many dollars profit? You making $3 profit when you invest $19 here. So for you to earn more faster here, you can also risk more money here. So when you invest $23 here, you'll be making $26. So that's extra $3 you are making on top your money. So I prefer this mining here. It's the best mining ever that you can earn fast money from without you not losing your money here. This is 100% sure, 100% safe here. So right here, this is 8 ton, that's about $31 here. You'll be making $4 on top your money you invested here. So and also you can also go on and keep buying and keep buying to keep making more profit here. So this is the profitable one I can advise you to buy. So let's keep going up here if you have the money to buy it here. So when you buy this one of $139 here, you'll be making $166. You are making about how much like that? You are making about $40 in a day as your profit here. You're making about $40 here. So the higher you buy is the higher your profit here. So this is the minimum you can purchase here, is about $264 here for this mine here. So I can advise you to start from 20 ton for you to earn fast money, to know that you are earning money from this what from this mining, from this Telegram mining here. So you can also go to the PC one also. So this PC one costs 279. This one is more profitable than other one I'll be talking about. So this one here, when you bought this for 279, when you buy this one, you'll be earning 399. That's about $100. That's about $200 in profit, massive money here. So I'll be advising you should purchase this for those 279. And also you can also get this for 326 dollars here. So you are making $470, massive money here. So you can also purchase this when you have the money to buy it here. This one is about $1000 here. You are making $400 on top your money. So cool money here, and it's very easy, no stress here. This is 100% sure here, and it is safe for you guys to invest. And this mining is working for just 239 days here. Yeah, 229 days that is working for, and it does about how many days. So you have to what get this for $50. This mining here for 50, no sorry, for 50 ton, and that's about $194. You'll be making extra $50 on top your money. So this is the only money you can get here, and this is the booster for you to boost your money. You can also boost here, but you're using Telegram Star to so you are using Telegram Star to boost here. So this is, you click on purchase here, you are going to buy it here. For those of you who want to what buy mining, just click on the purchase button here, or you go to your PC. So you go to your PC here. So you click up here, you just choose the one you want to buy. If it's one of $326 here, you'll be making $470 here. You click on the purchase button here, and you what, click on purchase here. So I do not have enough ton in my balance, that's why. So let me show you how you can deposit to your main account here. So you click on the top up button. So when you click on the top up, they will ask you what you want to use to deposit. Is it crypto or is it what, flat here? Which one do you have? Either you want to use Paye, any wallet you want to use to deposit, you can also use it, or use Telegram Star, or use your bank card here. So I'll be preferring using crypto to deposit here. So you choose TRC20. So when you choose TRC20, you write the amount you want to deposit. If it's $300 here, so you're going to put $300 here, and when you put $300, so you click proceed with payment. So that's about 707, that's 77 ton here. So to take it to another website, so it's going to show you something like this here. So what you just have to do is to copy this address. So when you copy this address, you gonna make your payment of $300, so it will reflect in your account. So you purchase anything you want to purchase there and start mining. So it does take 9 minutes here to make your payment. So that's all here. It's 100% legit. Make sure you start mining from it. So that's it here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share these videos for more.